how to download sticker packs in WhatsApp. So let's get started by opening WhatsApp. Here, go to any chat with your friends or group. Tap the emoji icon on the left of the text box. Here, tap the sticker icon, which is square with folded corner at the bottom. Here, you will be able to see the plus icon. Tap on it. Here, browse through the available sticker pack. Then, tap download next to the sticker pack you like. And once it's downloaded, it will appear in a sticker library. Go back to the chat. Tap the sticker icon. From here, select the new stickers and tap to send. Explore trending and seasonal stickers pack for fun reactions. And that's how you download sticker packs in WhatsApp easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.